Well, we hope you enjoyed that first video. Now you get to see the exciting part, because to make a Bootaagan out of a yellow birch log, we're going to burn a hole. We're going to put hot coals on top of the end of the log, and we're going to use saws and also an air blast from an air compressor to dig the hole deep and burn it deeper, and then dig some more. And at the end you have a finished mill, but along the way there's sparks flying, and it's really exciting.
Ready to guide and go in with the electric chainsaw or the chisel, pop out different squares of it. But you just gotta be careful controlling the speed of the blade, angle of your blade.
So when we chisel, we are just setting it like this at an angle, and I work around about where that permanent marker line is at this angle and begin to remove wood. And little by little get into those blocks, and it kind of cuts them off like this. You can see them flying out of there. And this helps to remove some of this stuff. You can just take the electric chainsaw and go right in, but I think this does help a lot. So this is a step here that we do, and we tried to get a lot of this done once again because we're really have limited time tomorrow. So the main thing that people are going to be doing is burning out and then adjusting it as they're burning.
Okay, so just go ahead.
Go ahead, plug it in.
Okay.
So now this is like a mill. Here I got it resting on the log. This part right here. Okay? And it's just going to ease into it. Get that. When you look down in there, that's what I'm doing. You gotta watch your foot. Forward. Just big sweeping motion. Look at where we ended. Like move over to here.
Bigger ones and smaller ones. I always tell everybody it depends on how much you want to lug something around.
Oh yeah, it's a beast.
It'll lose some weight.
They lose weight as they dry too, you know. Like
Yeah.
that's the other thing, you know.
Just started.
That's a little one, and then there's one back here too, which is actually like a
About medium size.
It's a medium
This
size
one's pretty light.
that'll get real light by the time it's all hollowed and dried out. That's about the size of the old Menominee and Ojibwe mortars right there.
Just trying to think what we would do at SDI. I suppose having one we could move would be the thing to do.
Yeah, that's the best way.
I will start on this one. Yes, trying to round out the hole a little bit. So I'm told I leave the spark leave the charcoal where I don't want it to burn right away.
Yep, it'll burn slower where there's charcoal.
And then I'm trying to get the rest of this rounded off, so I'm cleaning it off. But hopefully the next fire will continue to expand it in those places and we'll get it nice and round. First time ever, so we'll see what happens.
Yeah, the fire tends to round it out quite a bit.
Yeah, it's nice when just by nature that's what happens.
Yep. That's how we work, by nature.
Gotten lighter, it's drying out. It's closer.